Welcome into day 8 of our mini lessons this summer. Hi, I'm your host, Stephanie with Middle School Made Easy. And today we're going to go over a very important skill, how to summarize fictional text. Now, a lot of times when students try to summarize something, they have a hard time because they just want to copy the whole paragraph. That is not what summarization is. And so in this quick little video, I'm going to go over a little tutorial and give you a strategy for quick, efficient, and thorough summary. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to summarize fiction text by identifying characters, setting the problem, important events, and the solution. Uses your own words, focuses on big ideas, leaves out small details. A summary is not every little detail in the story, your opinion, or retelling every event. It is just the facts and simply the important facts. So there's a strategy that I like to use to help students summarize text succinctly and really focus in on those main ideas. It's called Somebody Wanted, But So Then. That acronym is simply they're going to fill out the details of it, and that will help create an outline for their summary. So somebody, who is the main character, wanted, what did they want, what were they trying to achieve, but what is the problem that got in the way? So what did they do then to overcome that problem? Then how did the story end? This strategy helps focus on the most important parts of the story. Let's practice it together with a short passage. Marcus had been practicing basketball for 4 weeks because he wanted to make the school team. On tryout day, he felt nervous and missed several shots. He thought he had ruined his chances. Instead of giving up, Marcus continued practicing after school every day. A week later, the coach posted the team roster. Marcus was excited to see his name on the list. Let's identify each part of the story and create our summary by completing the somebody wanted but so strategy. So our somebody is Marcus. He wanted to make the school basketball team, but he missed several shots during tryouts and thought he failed. So he continued practicing every day. Then he made the team. That's how you turned your notes into a summary. Notice how every detail isn't included, but the most important ones are, and we get the gist of the story by summarizing the important ideas by using that outline. Just remember, somebody wanted, but so then, to create your summary for fiction text. A strong fiction summary includes the most important events, not every detail. Using that somebody wanted, but so then strategy can help you quickly identify what matters most in the story. Join me tomorrow for mini lesson number 9, where we'll learn another important reading skill to help you become a stronger reader. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the lesson with another student or family that needs help to sharpen their skills this summer. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8, and don't forget to check out the link in our stand store to the practice activity.